Hello guys! Hello everyone! Ang nakikita nyo po ay rest house or bahay bakasyonan for sale located in Batangas. Exact location, Barangay Abong, San Juan, Batangas. This is perfect for retirement, for investment, kasi pwede pong ipa-Airbnb. At ang layo nito guys sa mga beaches, around 5 minutes lang to public beach at San Juan Baywalk. Lot area 1,000 square meter and floor area 100 square meter. This is good as brand new kasi last year lang pinagawa, 2024. Ang swimming pool hindi pa nagagamit, for completion pa lang. Ang price 8.8 million pesos. Pwede po itong installment at cash basis. Sa mga magka-cash, mayroong malaking discount. Pwede din corporation para magaan. Sa mga interesado ng property na ito, please contact nyo lang ako. Ang number ko ay nasa screen. This is Beth, licensed realtor. Thank you guys.